Hello, I just want to thank you for your interest in BioX products. If this is the first time you're purchasing from BioX, we appreciate your time and know you will love our products. If you are a returning customer, we continue to appreciate your loyalty to our products. BioX Bloomer and Vitamins Enhancer are plant nutrients that are a liquid plant fertilizer made up of EPA-approved ingredients, mined mineral salt, and vitamins like B and C. BioX Bloomer and Vitamins Enhancer nutrient formulation so it's easy to use. You just measure the parts according to the mixing instructions on the bottle. BioX has over a decade of cannabis culture experience. BioX is also credited for the first organic tissue culture media in the cannabis GE breeding protocol, the first plant nutrients to mimic plant tissue culture outside of the lab. Using that knowledge and experience, we created BioX has a full fertilizer line, which includes our perfectly plant cellular balance technology. Your plant's molecular structure will constantly be maintained at the perfect level for optimal growth. BioX is going to be a real game-changer for you, which is why we know you are going to love it. A big part of what makes a harvest considered high quality is the essential oil content. Essential oils go hand in hand with the aromas, flavors, and resin contents produced by harvested plants. These essential oils and resins create the terpene profile in the plant material, the compounds that influence the plant's natural fragrances and flavors. BioX Bloomer and Vitamins Enhance contains EPA-approved bioactive ingredients that enhance inherent qualities in plants, coaxing maximum production of terpenoids, resins, essential oils, and a heavier harvest. The EPA-approved bioactive ingredients also help prevent molds, fungi, yeast, and pest, saving you time and money, by using fewer chemicals, giving you an overall better product. The components in BioX Bloomer and Vitamins Enhance are also engineered to maximize yields, not only crop quality. The balanced combination of highly bioactive, mined mineral salts and much-needed vitamins to maximize resin contents in crops, as well as enabling crops to continue to maximize photosynthetic rates when plants normally are forced to shut down. The reduced forms of nitrogen and B and C vitamins in the formulation will also further root development. There are many types of plants that have external organelles. This is where resins and essential oils are secreted. Resins and essential oils are part of the plant's natural defense system against insects in two major ways. Firstly, sticky resins create a physical barrier that thwarts insects and may trap and kill smaller insects such as spider mites. Secondly, the aromatic compounds that are produced in the resins will deter many types of insects from contacting the plant. BioX Bloomer and Vitamins Enhance is applied with nutrients starting in the early bloom phase week 1 to trigger and maintain a higher level of resin secretion throughout the entire bloom phase. The ingredients in BioX Bloomer and Vitamins Enhance are absorbed by the plant's roots and begin to signal the plant to maximize the production of these valuable compounds. When this occurs, not only is the plant of higher quality, it can continue to grow abundant harvests. Using BioX Bloomer and Vitamins Enhance, growers can avoid falling victim to reliance on chemical controls such as sulfur that significantly reduce the qualities such as flavor and aroma in the harvest. Triggers plants to maximize their ability to produce essential oils and resins. Provides nutrition for beneficial microbes in the root zone. Increases the value of crops grown for their essential oil contents, giving maximum yield of the desired active compounds. You're getting a huge discount because you just invested in BioX plant nutrients. I want you to get the best possible results with BioX Bloomer and Vitamins Enhance plant nutrient formulation that is super easy to use. You just measure the two parts, according to the mixing instructions on the bottle, and you are there. Now you have time for yourself. And because BioX Bloomer and Vitamins Enhance includes a perfect plant cellular balance technology, your plant's molecular structure will constantly be maintained at the perfect level for optimal growth. Our BioX plant fertilizers are specifically designed to meet the unique needs of hydroponic and soil plant production. BioX plant nutrients are produced from 100% liquid-based nutrients, not powders. Combined with our unparalleled mixing technology in the USA and incredible zero-waste facility, BioX Bloomer and Vitamins Enhance is the cleanest and most concentrated base nutrient on the market. Always make sure to test your EC when using our super concentrated formulas, so you can use less for more success. Please contact us to find our why BioX fertilizer is the perfect fertilizer for your hydroponic and soil system needs.